This is Jam One Media TV, Leader TV. This is a live with Buju Banton and John Legend talking about their new song, Memories. Please like and share and subscribe.
Ahadu. Amen. Greetings, world. Greetings. It's I man. Myla. Yes, I am. Respect to the world. What you doing out there? Boy, trust me, no take on the time with me, cause I don't know if I'm supposed to reply to them with a bomb bucket text. Yeah, I just want to read them. Oh, no, do? Yeah, man. Just there I go and take it easy, Yeah, enough respect to all the massive out there. We don't go through all the situation right now. This whole lockdown and all this kind of stuff. Trying to get the world right? Just protect on yourself, take care of yourself. I'm just worried about the people who can't feed themselves and people who can't find a lively, food to eat and all them things there. That more consuming than anything else. But, I would never plan for this, If we don't say this happen, we'd have full all the basement of food to rot it backside. But we never know, B. You just get with sudden sort. Some people sure I don't want to talk about it. But anyway, me enjoy Linky Mars in the place. Whole heap of people in the place. I'm looking at my face. Miles a minute.
Greetings.
You see it. Yeah, man. Enough respect. So, yes, daughter. One name Shanty T. Hello. Yeah. So the thing set up in a room. Boy, the world has become just a small place. I could just go in my pocket and connect to the world right away. But I rotted backside of them. Once upon a time, I have to jump on a plane. You see people in different states. You just take out your phone and everybody in your face. Oi. Hello. Yeah? Yeah. But just want to know if everybody take care of themselves, most importantly. But I have a new album coming out, It's called Upside Down, yeah? Yeah. I want to talk to you about it. We went about a whole heap of something. You know what I mean? Yeah. But this album, Upside Down, is coming out very soon. Possess 20 tracks. We've been releasing some singles from this album. You know what I mean? And here's one of the singles. Trust. And then I want Step Up. And the most recent one to the addition is The Memories. You know what I mean? I want to first say enough respect goes out to the Rock Nation family. Yeah, and to the Island family. Island International, Island and New York, Rock Nation International, Rock Nation and New York. You know what I mean? David Miller and all them dudes there. Enough respect. You know what I mean? I will do the thing down in Jamaica and most of them are support and we give thanks. A long time I'm a Buju Banton at the boxing, but if I'm a Rastafari letter out, you see, problem in it, but come like a thing out for go on. So you what I go do? We'll get we all. Yeah. We're going to deal it wicked. We're going to slay them. Beat them bad. You know what I mean? I don't know, that's something I work in a mile. So I can't hear nobody. What they do? Text or talk. They must have chatting and texting.
Yeah.
To rotted backside. That's why I can't hear nothing in the world. So them I hear I do. Me mama. Hey. I saw technology stay. Yes, I am. But wish I could have hear when I do. The one them who are run the shit and if you improve upon it. Then it could be chaos. Because everybody talk at the same time. Then you have to go selectively request a person to chat though.
Yeah.
But as long as me I see them and them I see me, I know everything good and man. Good in a creation, me good. Yeah man. So this whole thing here with this COVID virus, yeah. Like me said too, open the eye and see what I go around. The world is about to change right before our eyes. Yesterday, treasure it, because tomorrow don't know what it's going to be. You know what I mean? My people in Jamaica, we slowly emerge from the darkness of this, like what Donald Trump said, unseen enemy. You know what I mean? I want everybody to just know, say, I love you from the heart. Yeah, and you've been quite supportive to me over the years, even when I was down in Babylon, in a prison. When I did a prison, most of the item, and still play buju bantan music and still show I love. There's no way I can say thank you to everybody individually, but I want to say thank you to everybody globally. It's much appreciated, you know. I couldn't go from house to house now and tell you how unjust a system is, but we don't ever get into that. We just want to talk about some good positive vibe or a good meditation. Miles, move push over your chair. We ain't about social distancing. So, you know what I mean? So when I say out there in a room, let me see online and all the massive and thing. Enough love, there's enough love. Yes. So, we're John there, according to other people feel. Yes, I am.
It's Jam One Media TV, the leader TV.
So,
There he is.
Pioneer.
My brother.
How are you? This is something else. How are you, brother?
I was trying to get on.
Listen up. No, listen. I will not pretend, you know. I am not adept in this kind of, you know what I mean, world where they are them play with every day.
Yes.
But I get the hang of it. So, how you doing, John?
I'm doing great, brother. How are you?
Yeah, I'm taking it easy. Man, it's such a joy to see in this virtual world.
Yes. This is the only way we can get together right now.
Right now, yeah, because we have to maintain certain degree of, you know. But how's the family?
Everybody's great, man. Everybody's well. The kids are good. They've been having so much fun hanging out with us.
Yeah.
They love being here with us. They don't mind the quarantine at all. My brother, you met Vaughn, and my older brother, I think, Ron. Everybody's doing well. My brother, Ron, is out here, and Vaughn is back in Ohio. And, yeah, everybody's well, though. Vaughn's son, my nephew, Tavon, he's making music, too. So you got to check that out soon.
Going on right there, bro. You gotta teach him the skill and try to get him tone on the frequency and try to play it in 432.
Absolutely.
440.
Absolutely.
Different sound.
Yes.
Real sound.
Yeah.
Hey, Miles, say hi to John for me. This is my son, John. This is my son, Miles.
Greetings.
How you doing? I have a son named Miles, too.
Hey, how much per hour? Because this man go to 100 and behind, you know. But listen up, the world are watching it. We're not alone. We're not, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I just give thanks to the IB and it's a drive to the I this day, but that song, man, that Memories.
Yes, I love the new song. It's a beautiful song, man. I'm just happy we got to collaborate again. It's been like 12 years now, and I don't know if people remember our first song together, but we did a song called Can't Be My Lover, and it was on my Evolver album. And
Evolver.
Yes. And when buju reached out to me and asked me to be part of this record, I was excited to do it. He's an icon, of course, and it's an honor for me to do another song with him.
Hold on. No icon. But I can clearly remember that night in Madison Square Gardens when.
Yes, I remember it well.
Stage.
Yes, I remember it very well. I remember that night. We performed the song together one time. We performed it that one time at Madison Square Garden. And when buju came out on the stage, the whole place just lit up. They were so excited to see him in New York. And that was my first headlining show at Madison Square Garden. And it was a thrill to have buju with me. And I'm glad we got together again to make some music.
That is good. I am happy that you invited me to be a part of that great celebration. I mean, things
Absolutely.
just out after that, but it's great that we're here again today in the flesh. more than anything else, to somehow impart on the people that connection, that spiritual connection through music that's lacking and missing.
Yes.
You know, and we've managed to pull it off this time, I think, again.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, memories. You know, I was doing an interview this morning on the Jamaican radio show. I think it was IRFM, and we're talking about memories because, you know, memories come out today. And I felt so much, I started singing, "Guess I'm not over you. I thought I was." So it has this. I can't wait, man. We don't know what performance will be in the future, or what concerts will be like, but I certainly hope we get a chance to share those moments on stage.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get back on stage. This disease will not be with us forever, and we're gonna get back on stage. We're gonna connect with our audiences again. But in the meantime, we'll do it this way until we can all be together again. And I'm just grateful we can still make music and still get it out to the people and give them that love still.
Man, I just want to thank you again for being on this record with me, bro. This is real. We don't want to sit on Instagram and act like we're playing from a script. You know what I mean? Because we real. You know what I mean? So we want to keep it real to the people out there who are real and tell them to stay safe, stay alive. Don't listen to everything that they say, but do what you know is right.
Do what is right. That's right. Do what is right. Absolutely.
Hey, John. Love you, bro.
Yes.
All right, stay
love
strong, okay? From the Kingston, Jamaica. Much love and respect,
Yes.
all right?
Peace and love, brother. Respect.
Remember, so the album, tell the massive out there. I want to tell them. Let me tell them for you. This album is called Upside Down. Remember, it comes your way very soon. Very, very soon. Upside Down. Buju Banton and John Legend. And when you sing this out, and it's called Memories. Guys, be sure to go out and check it out. Intent to uplift, educate you, and make you reminisce about someone who you love or lost.
Yes. Thank you, brother.
Hey, big brother, know what yourself. You understand? Yes. We're gonna link up. Correct?
Yes, we will.
Ball, so you don't know the focus and the focal according to the focal. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All
yes,
right,
sir. Respect, brother.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. I brethren John Legend, and I just link in. Yes, I'm not over you. Me and Germs turn it on. Like I thought I was. Yes, I was fooling myself. Because the dread is still in love. Check it out. Hey, big brother, I see you out there. Fat Joe, what's up? Enough respect. Yes, Edie. Yes, I'm not. Butterfuco. Island family. Rock Nation family. Pharrell. Don't worry yourself, you. John Legend, down to them. Even when I try. Whoa. Oh no. So, they might talk about that time when we're going to perform with a phone now we on. I don't see it. So we learn for a time when things go back to normal, we can touch people, feel people, look at people, and be close to people. Style, see you. Massive. I love you all. I don't want to overstay my welcome. Until I'm able again, come share some of the negativity with you, because I ever lie. Do I ever lie? Let me share with you, I never live it. Till that time, one love.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell down below.